Hi everyone, this is Shake also again, and it's been a while. So we are here sa Don Quixote and we're going to try the fresh 100% orange. At sabi nila masarap daw, so let's go and try it. So ganito yung pagkuha nila dahil first time namin, wala lang edit-edit, dire-diretso yung vlog natin. Okay, umpisa na natin. So, heto nga na nga, syempre, first time. So, we put the 500 yen. At heto na, lahat ng yun, fresh orange siya. Ayan, may nalaglag siya. Akala namin isa lang, so dalawa palang orange siya na 500 yen. Ayun na siya, di ba? Yung isa. Tapos, ayun na naman yung pangalawa. So, 2 orange for 500. So, ayan na siya. Merong isang cup na nalaglag at inilalagay na yung katas ng orange. So, syempre, ignorante kaming lahat kasi first time namin, ba diba? So, titignan namin yung procedure niya. So, ayan na. Ano lang siya, parang mga 1 minute lang naging ready to drink na siya. So, ayan na. So, hindi alam ng anak ko kung paano kunin. Syempre, ayan na nga. So, kinuha na lang niya at sinubukan namin. They said it's 100% talaga yung juice niya. Napakasarap. So, yun yung lagay niya ng straw, guys. Diba? Ang galing talaga. Ay, hindi ko alam kung dito lang yan sa Japan. Malay mo na may sa ibang masa meron din, diba?
Okay, guys, you have to drink this. It's really yummy, and it's 100% yummy. And there's clear right there. And okay, guys, look, there's the orange juice right there, and there's clear going into it. Look, he's opening it. He's getting the straw. No, okay, and out this right there, and you have to drink it. It's really yummy. And don't forget to press the subscribe button.